partner. Are you ready to ride through the ABCs of the Wild Wild West? Saddle up and sing along with me, let's wrangle those letters together. A is for armadillo rolling along. B is for bandit sneaking in a song. C is for cactus, tall and green. D is for dust where cowboys have been. E is for eagle, soaring up high. F is for fence, where horses tie. G is for gold, shiny and bright. H is for horse, galloping in flight. I is for iron, brand to steer. J is for jeans, cowboy gear. K is for kicking, heels in the dirt. L is for lasso, swinging with a spurt. M is for marshal, keeping law and order. N is for nugget, found near the border. O is for outlaw, riding fast. P is for pony, racing past. U is for quicksand, don't get stuck. R is for ranch where they herd and muck. S is for sheriff, badge on his vest. T is for trail, heading out west. U is for underpass, shady and cool. V is for vulture, circling the mule. W is for wagon, rolling along. X is for X marks the spot in a treasure song. Y is for yippee, a cowboy cheer. Z is for zipping out of here. You did it, partner. Now go show off your ABCs Wild West style. Want more adventures like this? Hit that replay button and ride again.